Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan from Homeschool in the Woods, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to set up our new science unit from The Good and the Beautiful. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're fixing to start school back, and I asked the kids which science unit they wanted to do. It was between meteorology and geology. And so Geology won. Claire was the only one who wanted meteorology, so we're going with geology, I guess. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to set it up, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, here is our geology unit. I'm excited for this one. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. They all come, when you buy a science unit from The Good and the Beautiful, they don't come bound. They're all loose leaf like this, so it's just like that. So you have to figure out how you want to organize it and store it yourself, which is pretty cool because everybody likes to do it differently. If I had a bookbinder, I would bind these, but I don't. So how I do it is I use these are flex binders you get from Walmart. They're real, flexible. I take all the insides out of it. Like they come in with these little pockets and different things. But I take everything out of the inside, so it's just the front and the back. Also, I got my 3-hole punch here, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I got these page protectors because I put all our like the mini books, any kind of activities that goes with each lesson. I keep, those and these next to the lesson that it goes with. So that's what these are for. And these are for the mini books to staple together. I got extra staples here. So that is all you'll need if you are doing it the way I do it. So also, don't forget the scissors. Scissors are very important. A lot of cutting for like your mini books and everything. So yeah, these are not very good ones, but that is all I could find. So, as you can see, it's a lot of cutting, a lot of prepping, but once it's all done, then it's done and it's pretty much just open and go. I'm going to make a list of all the supplies that I need to pick up before we get started so I can hopefully have everything, because I'd like to do as many experiments and activities as we can because the kids really do enjoy it, and they learn more through that hands-on experience, rather than just watching it on a video or reading about it. So yeah, that's another thing I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm gonna back to work. Alright guys, so I got everything put in the binder. This is what it looks like. I got my vocabulary words all right here behind the front. And then I've got lesson 1 is right here somewhere. Yeah, that's lesson 1. And then you flip that over, and everything that goes with lesson 1 is in this page protector. And so that keeps it together. And then it goes on to lesson 2. And then everything, all the little pieces that go with lesson 2 is in this page protector. So that's how I have it set up. And I think it's going to work really great. Alright guys, so now it's raining kind of hard, so you're probably going to have trouble hearing me. But I was trying to get the video done so I can start working on the editing. But anyway, I wanted to talk about my science journals real quick so you guys know what we do for that. I use these little thin folders. They have the 3-ring, what do they call it, the 3 prongs in the middle. And so, and I go through my unit and I'll print off everything that needs to be printed off for each lesson and go ahead and put it in here so it's already ready and I don't have to do it. It's just easier that way for me. It is time consuming to do that, so I'm not going to film that, but yeah, I do that for each child and have it ready so when we need it, it's just there, open, we go. So yeah, that is something I'm going to probably wind up doing tomorrow. If it's probably going to be raining, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, I didn't feel the need to film that. But anyway guys, yeah, it took a while, but it's done. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed and I hope it was helpful. If you needed like an idea of how to set up your science unit, and hopefully the rain isn't super annoying. But yeah, if you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.